Hello, my name is Falco Zorn. I'm a developer from EyeC, and I will introduce you to the new database access test tool. So, as you all know, we are using in the ProofRunner context the QualityLink, and for the Proofiler context we use the review station and audit trail viewer. And we have to set up a database for that, and this tool is providing you with a access test to the database from the client PC. So all you have to do is download this file here, and the link is below in the description. Then just unpack it to a location you have access to, and then you can just start it. So first of all, we are here on the client PC. So the SQL server is installed already on a server or a virtual machine, and our database is also installed and configured there. This tool uses the same framework as the ProofRunner or the Proofiler family. So if this works, then everything from the ProofRunner product family will work, and also for the Proofiler family. So that's also the first point. You have to choose the product family, and this time we start with the ProofRunner. Then you have to type in the server instance, or you can just browse for every server instance that is available in your domain. And the same thing works with the database. First of all, you don't have to change here anything. This is coming later. All you have to do is check database. If the database exists, as here, it's okay. The database server is configured properly and should work. Now we can do the same for the Proofiler. So we choose a Proofiler database this time. Wrong database. But as you can see, if you have the wrong database, there is a log and failed log. So something isn't right or not working. So let's go here. Same here. This is the wrong user, because here we use the default technical user, and as we see, it doesn't work, because in the Proofiler context you can also configure the database and the server to use integrated security. So we will just test this out and check the database, and here you see it works because this server is configured with the integrated security. You can also have an own technical user. I don't have one right now, so just type it in here. Type it in here. Choose a database. And check it. So the login is failed, so if this happens, something is wrong. In this case, of course, the user is wrong, but double check always. Do you have the right product family? Is the server instance right? Is the database right? You can also double check this on the database server. Maybe there is a typo here or something if the browser isn't working. So there could be, as mentioned already, some error messages. Let's start with a small one, is more than a warning. You now see there is a database. It's configured correct, but the database has an old version. Microsoft isn't supporting this anymore, so we also are not supporting this. All you have to do is upgrade your SQL Server version to a proper version, at least SQL Server 2016 with the Service Pack 2. Then there also can be some errors, like as mentioned before, that the login failed. So really double check this, double check the product family, double check the user, and always do the same on the database server. Check also the firewall on the database server. So are the ports opened? Is everything correct? So then it should work. As we see here. Yeah, and if everything works fine, all you have to do is finish. And the tool is closing, and it should work now with your Proofiler, ProofRunner product family. So have a nice day. Bye.